Daily math review number 2. Write the inequality for the following statement, then graph the inequality on the given number line. Alright, so first, these two, we're going to take a look. The temperature T today will be at least 50 degrees. So we have that T for that temperature. And then we have at least 50 degrees. So it can be 50 degrees, so we're going to put that equal to there. But it will be at least 50 degrees, so it will be either hotter or the same as 50 degrees. So since we have that underline here, that or equal to, we are going to have a closed circle at 50. That closed circle is at positive 50, like it says here. Now, it's going to be shading to the right, or the positive, bigger than that. So we're going to shade to the right. All right, the store, S, can hold no more than 85 people. Alrighty, so we have our store. We have our store, S, can hold no more than 85 people. So no more than 85. It can hold 85, but no more, so it's got to be less than 85 people or 85 people. Now we are going to have a closed circle again on 85. We're going to fill that in. And we are going to shade to the left. All right, so we're going to shade to the left here. Because it can hold less than 85 people, or it can hold 85 people, but no more than that. Cannot hold 90, cannot hold 86, that's it. So that's going to be it for the DMR number 2. Great job.